everyone, welcome. Jelly Cube coming to you with another pour on a nice, this is a 60 by 30 canvas, and I'm into making my Christmas gifts. So I've said it before, it's nice to, even on a small canvas, make a little nice little canvas to give as a Christmas gift, even a birthday gift or an anniversary gift or whatever, instead of a card. How much nicer is that, I think. So today that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go along with my gift making videos. I wanted to do another one of these because this come out so beautiful, and I finished it with a resin coat. I don't know if you can see it sparkling under there. I put a bit of the dragonfly glaze in the I used epoxy resin top coat for this, which is beautiful. Leaves it it's such a colourful, nice piece. So that is definitely going as my one of my Christmas gifts. So I'm going to do something similar to this again today. I'll remember to put a link in the first comment of this particular video if you're interested in seeing this one, and also there's a link down below, I think, for the epoxy resin, so the top coat, which I love. So should I give it a split coat or just do it with one? I think I will split it again. I think I did that split was a black, navy and white. I think I might sort of do the same kind of thing with this one. I'm going to do a split composition. So this is just my white, just mix the normal way. Now I like to actually do my chaos blows or Dutch pours with thicker paint and not real thin paint. I just it just works better that way for me. I know that lots do it with really thin paint to blow around the canvas, but I just find it works better with a bit thicker. So everybody finds their own way, what suits them, their own consistency of the paint, their own style, your own techniques. You can get ideas of, obviously, of other YouTubers, of all YouTubers, but then, you know, you'll find something that works better for you with the particular product that you're using. So that's my white, and I'm going to go my navy for this one, this side, should I say. I like to do these all pre-mixed so they're all ready to use when you're when the feeling comes upon you to paint, you know you're ready to go. So pretty easy. Rightio. I'm not too worried about scraping that off perfect because it doesn't actually matter if there's a little bit of the white ghosting in there. It'll all add to the uniqueness of it, I guess. So take it up there. I'm not too worried about going over my edges at this point because I can blow that paint over the edges. But if you haven't done this split technique, have a go of it. It's fun and it seems to always come out with some interesting results from it, from the different look. Rightio. So, I'm so excited because I've got a few of my favourite colours. I mean, every colour's my favourite, but I really like, this is the Dark Sea by Global. So I'm actually going to do puddles, instead of putting it up in a line. Got this pesky fly, pop off. And then I've got this lovely colour, Tahiti. So these are my paints, and I'm going to, probably should put the Tahiti in with, oh, what have I got there hanging there? Tahiti hanging in with the dark sea, because that would be, they go really nicely together, and I'm sure when I blow those out they'll be pretty special. Oh, okay, so go back and I'll just put a little bit of the dark sea in with my Tahiti. Oh, this one, there we go. Right, and now, oh, they're stuck inside my little, I mixed this paint up a few days ago and I've been busy with my litter of puppies. This one is wicker. It's kind of like a, I guess it's kind of like a mustard yellow, but I don't know, it really looks, it's really quite a nice colour and goes with, definitely with lots of things. Go back to, this is the purple, so I'm going to put a bit of purple in with my wicker, believe it or not. So yeah, you can get busy making homemade Christmas gifts, and what's nicer than receiving homemade gift, I believe. It's just a really nice thing. And this is the cool red. So it looks like a very colourful caterpillar at the moment. Actually, I haven't tried doing this composition and then instead of blowing out the paint, just tilting the canvas. That'd be interesting. See what kind of, or swiping through these colours. I'm tempted, but I want to stick with the plan at the moment that I had and see how I go with it. I think that actually should be really nice. Well, I hope so. I'm just going to put a little bit more of that wicker, which I really love. Wicker. Did have a little bit of, I've got a little bit of antique gold in here, which always when you put metallics, it seems to give the whole rest of the colours a really nice, I'm going to drizzle that through, sheenish, you know, sort of a glistening effect because of the metallics in there. So I'll put that through. Why not? Colourful caterpillar with gold too. So I'll just give it a quick whiz with my heat wand or burst any air bubbles. That looks really nice. The colours look really nice laid out, so blowy gods be with me. I might start. No, I might start here. Go this way first. But wow, look at those colours. Oh my goodness. Wow. How gorgeous. it, love it, love it, love it. Let's see, just got my little straw. Wow, those colours are jump off the canvas gorgeous. Wow, 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 that is beautiful. Now that's absolutely fine on its own, left to dry, absorb into the canvas. Just finish off my edges with the paint that's blown over the edges is absolutely fine. That looks so lovely. But I'm going to jillify it because my family wouldn't expect anything different than a gift from me if I didn't put my kisses on it. Oh, that's gorgeous. You can absolutely use your balloon kisses directly from your balloon onto a piece of cardstock and even make your own gift cards or gift tags, which I've done on other videos, so I think you guys know what I get up to. So if I just do a few of these along, they also help absorb some of the canvas if you some of the paint if you've got a lot of paint on your canvas, so they kind of help you. That's all I'll do with that big chubby balloon. And oh, and now I'll get my little, this one's just got a little bit of water in it, just adds to, it's like a, you know, instead of a paintbrush, I use my balloon as my little embellisher, and those are gorgeous. Oh, that's nice. Put a bit of red in there. So you can transfer a bit of the colour from your balloon to anywhere else that you decide to, but kind of keep wiping off your balloon because it'll stop your paints from going muddy. Oh, look at the gorgeous kisses on that. That's beautiful. Having the two colours is really quite striking. Every single colour that I put on there has got its own beauty. It really has. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is going to really pop with some resin on it, or even just a gloss coat. Just like that other one. Oh, that's super duper. I'm going to bring you down and have a little look at this. That's really attractive, really nice. And this is my finished. Of course I got carried away and jillified it, and lots of cells all popped up. Look in the blue where I blew the colours, sort of, it just sort of filled it all up. But it is absolutely floaty, dreamy, and it's going to look every bit as gorgeous as the first one I showed you. So very, very happy with that and really enjoyed doing that one. So I hope you guys like it. Please have a good week. All of you, please take care. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely, depressed, ring a family member or a friend. If not, a helpline. Always someone there to help you. Okie doke, my lovelies. Bye for now.